Namaste. Today we'll be talking the problem of hair fall. That is losing the hairs before time. Primarily, this is considered to be a male problem because males are prone to baldness in comparison to females. But what happens if you talk about females, if they have some sort of male hormones, primarily the reason is hormonal imbalance. That case, they lose a lot of hairs. So we'll be talking about that today. The main reasons for excessive hair fall is lack of deficiency of vitamins, that is vitamin A, the pool of vitamin B, that is B complex, vitamin C, D, E, deficiency of iron, maybe zinc. So if you are facing this problem of hair fall, you should take care of having all of these vitamin A, B, C, D, E, iron and zinc. You should be eating in ample quantity and try to have it the natural way. Now let's come to the prime reason, that is the male hormone, that is called DHT, or what we say dihydrotestosterone. That is basically a male hormone. So if it's in a little extra number in females, so that leads to a quick hair fall. So we'll be doing a few postures that will help you to get the hormonal balance, I should say, and it will take care for all the hormonal imbalance related problems with specific to hair fall. I'll be telling you 5 postures and 3 pranayams that will help you to overcome this problem. Let's do the first posture, that is called Padhasasana. Your head is down in comparison to your chest and abdomen and lower body. So a lot of blood is going into the head. So that supplies extra nutrition, blood and oxygen to the root of the hair. So let's do it. You need to stand straight, inhaling, raise your hands up, look upside, then exhaling. Take your hands down, close to the feet, or you may hold the ankles from back side. Then very gently drop your head down. If you have back problem, it's better to bend your knees this way. Just hold the ankles and press your head down. Bending the knees is not a problem in this posture when you're doing it specifically for hair. Keep your head relaxed throughout. Breathing is normal, light, or maybe to the deeper side. You need to hold it for 30 to 60 seconds at least. Look forward, slowly raise the hands up, arch your back, and come down. The second posture is Viparit Karni. That is an inverted posture. You need to lie down flat on your back. You need to raise your legs straight up side. Raise your back also and stay. Keeping our legs a little backside. That is a little different from Sarvangasana. The Sarvangasana, your legs are straight, back is straight. But here you are in a relaxing position. Your both shoulder blades are down on the ground. Your feet and face are relaxed. Close your eyes and stay there. Again, a little extra blood is going to the head. Breathe normal, light. Keep your face, head, and feet relaxed throughout. You should be holding this posture at least for a minute. But remember, if you have very high blood pressure, you should not do this posture. Hold it at least for a minute. Very gently, bending your knees. Slowly drop your back down. Drop your legs also down. Relax for a while. Let the circulation of blood go normal. Turning sideways. Let's sit straight up. The third posture is downward facing dog. In all the postures, remember your head is down in comparison to the other parts of the body. So a lot of blood is coming into the head. That will help you out getting more energy in the head. So you need to come. It's also called Parvatasana or down facing dog. You need to keep your feet a little apart and try pressing your head down on the ground. Keep your head and face relaxed throughout. Keep breathing. Try touching your forehead on the ground. Remember, you need to hold it for 30 to 60 seconds. The fourth posture, that is called the Dolphin Pause. That is also the basic posture for the headstand. You need to keep your elbows a little apart, around a foot apart. Interlock the fingers, palms facing up. Take your half head down on the mat, half head down on the palms. Raise the knees up, walk forward until your back goes straight. Stay like this. Once again, a lot of blood is going into the head. Obviously, with the blood, extra oxygen and nutrition also goes to the brain. So it reaches the root of the hairs, enable you to get the lost hairs. Keep holding. Relax. The fifth and the final posture is headstand. You can go straight into the headstand from that dolphin posture. So again, you need to keep your forearms down, both the elbows around a foot apart, both palms are facing up. You need to keep half head down on the mat, half head down on the palms. Slowly walk forward and very gently raise your legs upside. Try holding it for 30 to 60 seconds again. Keep holding. Keep your head relaxed throughout. Gently bending the knees. Come down. A little extra blood is there in the head. So lie down in Makarasana for some time. Fist on the fist, chin on the fist. Relax for a while. Let's turn sideways and sit straight up. Let me tell you a few pranayams also. We'll be doing 3 pranayams. These are beneficial to get your hair back. So let's sit in Vajrasana. Sit in Vajrasana with ease. The first pranayam is Bhastrika Pranayama. You need to raise your hands up, inhaling with force, exhaling. Take the same force, same time, you need to take your hands down. You need to do 3 rounds of it. Like at 1 round, you should be doing 30 to 40 repetitions. I'll be showing you just 1 round, but you need to do 3 rounds of it. Remember that 30 to 40 repetitions every round. So inhale with force, raise the hands up. Exhale, same force, take the hands down. Relax. Eyes are closed. Breathing is normal. Keep a head, forehead, and spine relaxed. Bhastrika Pranayama balances the Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. Normally, one reason for hair fall is dryness or excessive Vata. So, Bhastrika Pranayama takes care of that. You need to do 3 rounds of it. The second pranayam is Anulom Vilom Pranayam, or what we say, alternate nostril breathing. How to do that? You need to inhale full, exhale out, raise your right hand up, blocking your right nostril with your right thumb. Very gently, with no pressure, slowly inhale through the left nostril. Block the left with your ring or middle finger, take the thumb out, exhale through the right. Now inhale through the right, exhale through the left. Inhaling through the left, exhale through the right. Keep breathing alternate. Remember, you're exhaling through the nostril. Inhale through the same. Block that one, exhale through the other one. Inhale through the same. You need to inhale and exhale to full capacity, but do not keep any pressure. Go very easy but full. You should be doing this pranayama around 10 minutes every day. That not only balances the right and left hemisphere of the brain, but it takes care of the nervous system also. Keeps your blood pressure to normal. Very nourishing for the brain and the head. Ten minutes at least daily, remember. And you need to do all of these exercises and pranayams with empty stomach. This time, as you exhale through the left nostril, relax. Easy. Breathe normal, breathe light. Keep the focus within. Let's do Brahmari Pranayam now. We shall do it 5 times, but you need to do it at least 10 times. How to do that? You need to keep your middle fingers on your eyes very gently, not pressing the eyes. Index fingers above the eyebrows, both the other fingers down. You need to fold your tongue upside to the soft palate. Block your ears with your thumbs. Inhale, generate the humming sound loud like Keep your eyes closed, head, forehead, and spine relaxed. Brahmari Pranayama is a good tool to keep the hormonal balance. It stimulates the pituitary gland, that is called the master gland also, that is mainly responsible for hormonal balance. So it takes care of your testosterone levels to balance it. DHT or dehydrotestosterone is the main reason for hair fall. So you need to block that hormone to come out of the hair fall problem. I hope these exercises, these pranayams will help you a lot getting out of this problem of unwanted hair fall. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe and also press the like button. Do not forget to press the bell icon to get all the notifications of my new video first time first. Thank you so much.